Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good evening to everyone. My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today?
I'm fine.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today, I am going to say a beautiful hadith. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "At-tuhuru shatrul iman," which means cleanness is half faith, yani half iman. Jazakallahu khair. Thank you very much listening to me patiently. Assalamu alaikum wa